Hello guys, my name is Shekinah Jardine Gamboa. D. Gamboa. I'm gonna open you the backstory for you.
Oh, what is inside that toy?
Let's open.
Let's open it. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yee, what's inside? Oh no. Can I see?
Ta-da!
Ooh, what's inside? Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Okay, that one.
This is the parts of the chair.
Those are parts of the chair? Okay. Are you excited to assemble it?
Yes!
Yes, okay.
Let's open it.
Okay.